In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most renowned project tracking software, which is Jira software, and we are going to see 5 top automation workflows inside Pabbly Connect. How can you integrate different applications with Jira software using Pabbly Connect? And here you would be able to plan, track and update the different softwares that you have easily without any issue. Now, I'm going to tell you the different applications, like the 5 top applications with which you can integrate Jira software. The first one is Microsoft Teams. Then you have Salesforce, Slack, Google Calendar and Google Sheets. Now let's say that you want to send new Jira software issues to Microsoft Teams. So every time an issue has been created in Jira software, automatically your team which is sitting on Microsoft Teams would be updated about the issue. So everybody is going to be on the same page. So this is how you can integrate with the help of Pabbly Connect, and here your trigger application would be Jira software, action application would be Microsoft Teams. Next is when you would want to create Jira issues for new Salesforce task. So every time there is a new task created in your Salesforce CRM, then with the information that you have used to create this task, automatically an issue would be created in Jira software. Now here it can be either created an issue or updated or deleted. That depends on the action that you wish to have here. Next one, to send channel message in Slack when new issue is created in Jira. So just like you updated your team sitting on Microsoft Teams, similarly you can update your team sitting on Discord or Slack. All you have to do is the moment an issue has been created here, so you have configured the webhooks in Jira software, automatically what will happen, a message would be shared with your team sitting on Slack, right? So you will be integrating these two applications using Pabbly Connect. One very important one is when you have to integrate Jira software with Google Calendar. So you have created an issue, or let's say updated or deleted. So once you have configured the webhook, then automatically with the information that you have put in here, an event would be created in Google Calendar. So the entire team would be updated about the creation of the issue, and then again there is an event as well. So let's say that a meeting has been scheduled. So this is again going to save a lot of time for you. And the last one, which is by far the best, is if you have some data in your Google Sheet and with that data you wish to create, update or delete an issue, you would be able to do that without any wastage of time or without using extra assistance. So you will be integrating the two applications. Here your trigger application would be Google Sheets, where you would be using Get Rows, and your action application would be Jira software, where you would be using Create Issue. So these would be your trigger and action events. Now these were the top 5 automations, Jira automations, where you are integrating this with different applications using Pabbly Connect software. All these workflows are there in the description box. You can go check them out and you can integrate them yourself. How? So once you will see the workflows and the videos which are there in the description box, you would be able to do them yourself. And these are just some applications. You can actually integrate this particular application, Jira software, with numerous applications as per your ease. So I hope this video was really helpful, and we are going to come up with more such videos. You can write in the comment section if you wish to have some particular application and you want to know the usage of the same. Thank you so much.